Modern advancement of technology has made it possible for the LED lights to play a critical role in photo and video industry. For being a continuous light source that offers high brightness, dimmability, zero heat generation, and daylight color temperature, it easily defeats all the disadvantages of conventional tungsten lighting and constantly evolves into photo-video industry through adapting different type of light modifiers. Porta LED is by far the most compact and portable LED light panel available in the high-output professional LED class. 396 ultra-bright, high-quality LEDs offer precise light adjustment as well as consistent color balance. Slide-in filter type 3 color gels in frost, orange, and blue offer softer light diffusion as well as convenient yet accurate color balance adjustability. 4-leaf matte finish barn door not only provides maximum control over the light, but provides softer light diffusion suitable for professional light applications. Top handle is a durable and convenient tool when it comes to light angle adjustments and portability. Rear control panel offers a dedicated dimmer control knob, a power switch, and an AC adapter port. A 1/4-inch 20 connection on the bottom of the unit allows mounting to a conventional light stand, super clamp, or articulating extension arm with equivalent thread connector. This featherweight compact LED is the most advanced design concept in its photo-video lighting industry. With the added features of color gels, retractable handle, and a 4-leaf barn door, Porta LED extends its use from a simple studio portrait to a complicated stage setup as well. LS Photo Pro Studio has always been a leader of newest technologies and will continue to support all creative imaging professionals.